Hello everyone, I'm Somin and today we have Ajay Shah with us to discuss how Indian equity markets have performed on the budget days and can it fuel the bull run.
Hi Somin. Hello everyone. Thank you for having me over here.
So Ajay, the country's finance minister Nirmala Sitharaman is scheduled to present the union budget for the next financial year on 1st Feb. Ahead of the presentation, markets have scaled new highs. Sensex is currently above the 49,000 mark and Nifty closed near 14,300 this week. So, Ajay, as we all know, budget is a big day for the equity market and investors. And according to data, can you let us know how the market has performed in the last decade on budget days?
Sure, Somin. As we all know, on the budget day, Finance Minister unveils various measures to uplift the economy. And it's a very big day for Indian equity market as well. Budget day has always been volatile for us, especially for the broader market. In the last 8 to 10 years, the market has given positive returns for the investors of around 1.8% and also fallen by around 2 2.5% on the budget days, which is created very volatile scenario on the budget days and the days around. Typically, budget presentation is volatile because we all investors or traders we try to anticipate and try to guess what announcements are and how it will be impacting our economy and the companies, which creates a larger volatility in the market.
Okay. So, can you provide an example of how volatile can market be during budget days?
Sure. So, for example, we can take the previous budget, which was presented on Feb 2020. Ahead of budget, both Nifty and Sensex, both the Indian benchmarks, had scaled the new highs, and on the budget day, both fell around by 2.5% or around,
Mhm.
which created a lot of volatility in the market. If you see in the charts as well, post budget, the Nifty scaled around 4% gain in the three consecutive days, which was around very good returns for the investors. For the fun, we can say riding the budget day and trading in the Sensex and investing during that period of time is like dancing in the front of a truck which don't have a driver. So either we'll be under the tires or we will be getting arrested for it. So we anticipate the market to be volatile for the current budget as well.
Mhm. So, in this case, how should an investor act? Should an investor book profit and wait for a correction or continue with their holdings?
Uh, so I mean, predicting the stock market movement is impossible, and equity market is full of surprises. There is always a risk of withdrawal of money from the foreign institutions due to tax reasons. But on the other side, we are also anticipating very good results from the corporate from the previous quarter, and they have been in line with the expectations. So we anticipate in the long run market to be very good. For the long term investors, as we say, it's always beneficial to stay in the market rather than timing the market. As also in the chart, you can see the Nifty has moved from 5,600 to 12,000 mark and even 14,000 mark as on today, and has provided very good returns to the investors. So we expect investor to stay invested.
What do you expect? Can budget fuel the equity market rally?
In the past, budget was not able to cheer the district. The last year, finance minister presented a union budget, and we saw market falling by 2.5%. But this year is different. Finance minister has announced the this budget would be like unlike anything in the past 100 years, which has created various anticipations based on announcement that this will be providing a boost to the growth and economy will be providing very good results in coming time, which will obviously favor the market and especially Indian equity markets. Hence, I'm staying positive this year.
Okay, that's good. So thank you, Ajay, to provide such valuable insight to our viewers. Let's see, will the budget offer any SOPs to sustain this rally in 2021 and ahead? Thank you, everyone, for joining us. Kindly visit finbingo.com and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates.